Panasonic Aquarea is the most advanced and reliable heating and cooling solution on the market today that can also be used to produce domestic hot water. With your control unit, you have access to the full range of functions of your heat pump. Here you can increase comfort by changing the main settings of your heat pump. For example, you can change the room temperature, the water temperature, the settings of different heating zones, or change the operation mode. Here you can now go into powerful mode or quiet mode. You can also schedule the system. According to statistics, almost 80% of consumption in a typical household is used for the production of heat, in particular for heating and warm water production. Check your own energy statistics to find out how you can save energy with your Aquarea heat pump. With the COP monitoring function, you can see how Aquarea helps you to reduce CO2 emissions. By converting 1 kilowatt of electric energy into up to 5.33 kilowatts of heat energy, your heat pump is contributing day by day to the decarbonization of society. Panasonic. A better life, a better world.